At this point, you're probably wondering, did we install the Facebook pixel correctly? And what about the event code? So to do just that, what you want to do is that you want to open this in your Google Chrome browser, and we're going to install an extension called FB Pixel Helper. It's free and very fast to install. And what we're going to do is that we're going to click on the first search result. We're just going to click Add to Chrome, confirm, and we're done. That's it. Now, if you're wondering, does this work on Safari, Firefox, or any other browsers? To my knowledge, this only works in Google Chrome. So this, you might notice right now at the top right here, that the Facebook Pixel Helper has been added to Google Chrome. So on websites that don't have the Facebook Pixel installed, it's going to show as gray color. And when you go to websites like this, I'm going to just refresh this for a while. And you're going to see that the pixel will be blue in color, which means that the Facebook pixel has been installed. And we're going to click on that. And in this case, you see that there are a total of 4 pixels being added at this point. Now, of course, you don't have to add so many. I'm just showing you as an example of how the Facebook Pixel Helper works in showing, does a page actually have an FB pixel installed, and is it installed correctly? So you'll notice that there's an action called lead, which means that whoever arrives here from the Facebook ad will be counted as 1 lead. Okay, and you can call it any name you want, whether it's purchase, whether it's completed registration, initiate checkout. It's totally up to you. All right, it's just that in this particular example, I've installed a total of 4 Facebook pixels, but you can just install 1 and get going. All right, so this is a very useful tool. You can also spy on some competitors. It also gives insights into other websites, whether they actually have a Facebook pixel installed or not.